what's up? It's your AB Queen Celestyna back on the scene. I look good. Like, good. Good. G-O-O-D-T. Good. Ain't nothing special in today's video. I'm just giving y'all an everyday makeup look. Future my new hair color. So, ain't nothing really to it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy the look. Stay tuned. We are back. A new cut. A new color. Okay, a new style. I've already did pink before, but you know, obviously it was like way shorter and it was like a hot pink. This one is like a Barbie pink, you know, really cute. So I got things to do after this. I can't really say what I'm doing yet, or can I? Yeah, because by the time y'all see this, episode will already be up. I truly feel like you are the person that can break your own algorithm. Instagram can't do that for you. Facebook can't do it for you. Like, it's truly a bond between you and your audience, and this is the main reason why you have to engage, right? Because when they see your stuff, when you post regularly, and they see your stuff, but see your audience got to engage with it too. Because if your audience engage with it, that's the more they're gonna see it. And that's what I be trying to tell people. Like, I don't be saying, oh, so make sure you support, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, make sure you do for no reason. No, I'm saying that it's because you're helping me help you see my content. You know what I'm saying? And that's just pushing my content even more, right? But when you don't engage with someone, they're gonna fall out of your feed. You're not gonna see them like that. And I've noticed that that's just everything. Y'all know me, y'all know how I come through with the colorful brows. So I was going through my palettes today, and y'all, I found like the perfect shade to match this. Like, I really want to call this like a strawberry blonde rather than like pink, because it's really, to me, it's like rose gold. I don't know, call it what you want. Let's make a revolution. The Tasty Chili palette, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. I'm just gonna use this LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade white, and I'm just gonna put this on a spoolie. You really don't even need a lot, for real. And then I'm gonna take this spoolie, cover the spoolie in it, and then, yeah, put that right over my brows. And like I said, when I'm using eyeshadow for my eyebrows, I usually use something. I either use a white concealer or a white eyeliner pencil. I can't find my eyeliner pencil right now, and I'm low-key panicking because I don't know where it's at. And I had like 2 of them, and I did not throw them away, so I don't know really where they at. Wait. Hold on. This is a match, like perfect match. Oh, this is definitely the match for it. This is like a match made in heaven. Like 99.9% DNA match. And the thing about it is, y'all, I don't ever, usually the past few times that I've done my colorful brows, I haven't even like planned. There's only like one time where I planned to actually get the color that needed to match with my hair. But all these recent times have just been like freestyle. Perfect. This is literally perfect. Okay, boom. We can move on. This is like, oh my god, so exciting, because I did not know that I was gonna get a legit, like, real good match. Alright, so you know the drill. We're about to conceal these bad boys. So I'm gonna use foundation to conceal the top because I don't have any concealer. None. The only concealer I got is white, so I can't do all that. So I'm like, oh well. Next, primer. I'm using my e.l.f. grip primer. I really need that re-up on it. Yeah, I need to re-up on everything. I cannot use that much, bro. I think I'm going on a date tomorrow. I cannot be using that much. I'm gonna use just the bare minimum today, because I'm gonna need to really use the rest of it for tomorrow. Yeah, it's still a good percentage. I'm gonna have to just cut it open. One thing about me, I'm gonna use every drop. Cool. So now I'm about to just take this. This is Pretty Fresh. Yeah, Pretty Fresh Colourpop foundation in the shade Fair 03. I believe so. Yeah. So I'm just about to take a little bit of this. Child, my back hurt. Me sitting up like this. Cause I need the gel. Make sure I'm getting the cracks and creases. I already know I'm using Fenty Beauty. Like, how many times do I have to say it? So I had to mix two concealers together. One was Colourpop and the other one is, you know, the one I've been using the whole video. Okay, I'm just gonna put just a little bit more concealer. I really don't want it to be this, but I need a little more coverage right here. Wooey is looking bright. I'm gonna use this liquid blush from Makeup Revolution. It's called Dolly Rose. Speaking of Makeup Revolution, y'all, they posted me on their Instagram. Show did. They posted me on their Instagram. And I was just like, what? I was like, what? I was like, huh? Because I don't think they've ever posted me before on their page. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and like set our face. Yeah. Go ahead and do that. Where is this thing? Here it is. This is the Makeup Revolution setting powder. I'm literally using like 3 of their products right now. Back to what I was saying. Yeah, they posted me and I was so ecstatic. And because I'm looking for my little, there you go. I just been feeling like I haven't been seen lately, you know? And it's just like, I feel like I haven't really accomplished anything I really wanted to in 2023. That's a whole nother video for another day. And it's nobody's fault but mine. Nobody's fault. I'm just saying, you know, and there's some things that I did accomplish, but the things that I had like my eye on, wasn't getting done. So yeah, for them to post me was just so exciting because I was like, oh my god, it kind of gave me another boost, you know, to do what I need to do. And on top of that, Muse Beauty posted me too. Now I watch a podcast called Poor Minds, and there are 2 beautiful black women that are hosts, Drea and Lex P. Drea Nicole and Lex P. Let me say her name correctly. But yeah, and Drea came out with a makeup line, like, I don't know if it was last year or was it this year? Last year? I think it was last year. I started using her products this year, so yeah. I started to use her lip liner and lip gloss, and I just had kept posting. I was like, she gonna see me. She gonna see me. Cause I love Drea Nicole. Like, I love her down. So, you know, I have to support the makeup. And the makeup is fire as well. So, yeah. And I've been posting all year. Like, all year. And then, boom. I get a notification. And it's Muse Beauty reposting my reel that I posted on TikTok earlier this year. And I was like, oh my god. Like, they literally, like, took the video and reposted it to their page. And then on top of that, they shared one of my reels too to their story. But I'm like I was geeking. Like, I was really geeking. Like, I was really hyped up for real. I'm not gonna lie to you. For the bronze. Now that is who I need to repost me. Fenty Beauty. It's coming. I'm already a little tipsy. Went ahead and did like my blush, set my face, got the powder off my face, all the stuff off camera. Cause I had to unload the clip onto the computer. I guess we could do lashes. Okay. Do those real quick. I forgot what we was talking about for real. Mascara. Tell me why I just pulled up some TP, right? Yeah, I literally took like 3 sips. And I'm a little, almost, okay, I'm not, okay. I'm being dramatic. But I definitely feel it already. Cup is all you need. Literally like, all you need. Cause baby, I'm like, sipping on like, liquor. Baby, Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. Lashes on. Yeah. Alright, let's do this lip, and then I gotta add some highlighter. I'm using Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. This is the Pro HD highlighter palette. I'm taking 3 colors. I know how I do my lip combos. Start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Poet. Outline my lips with it. Boom, right? Boom, 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 base. Got that super base. Then I'm going with this. What is this? Ruby Kisses Matte Lip Lacquer in the shade Cream. A Creme. How do you want to pronounce it? Put that right in the center. I'm loving this already. I might just wear this color on my day tomorrow. This is cute. And then I'm gonna add my Fenty Beauty Cosmic Gloss on top. This is in the shade, oh girl, I think this is Spacesuit. Now I don't know if she still got these on the website. That's why I'm trying to hold on to it. She need to bring it back. I don't know if it's still on the website or not. Oh my god. Riri. It's so pretty. It gives you just what you need. Yeah. Yeah. This is a lip. This is a lip. This is a face. A new cut. A new color. Yeah, okay. I was going. Wait a minute. A new cut. A new color. Okay, wait a minute, because this is cute and I look really, really good. Like, damn. Yeah. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna shot the rest. Oh yes, I look cute. And if you made it all the way to the end of the video, you're a real queen, you're a real OG, and I appreciate you for that. So while you're here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and on your way out, don't forget to embrace, showcase, and beat your face.